In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own book cover using Canva. We'll start from a blank canvas, customize a professional-looking design, enhance it with powerful tools, and export it in the right format for your project. First, open Canva and click Create. Choose Custom Size, then enter 512 by 800 pixels. This size works well for many digital covers and gives you a clean, portrait layout to design within. Click Create New Design to open your workspace. Now, let's find a strong starting point. Under the Design section, browse templates and use keywords that match your genre, like fantasy book cover, ebook, or non-fiction. These keywords help surface styles that signal your genre to readers at a glance. Pick a template that fits your vibe. Remember, you can change everything later. Customize the visuals by replacing elements. Click any existing photo or graphic to delete it, then add your own images from the Uploads tab or search Canva's library for high-quality art. Aim for one focal image to keep the cover clean. If your background is busy, consider a subtle overlay so your text remains readable. Next, dial in your typography. Edit the title, subtitle, and author name. Keep hierarchy clear. The title should be largest, then subtitle, then author. Use 2 fonts at most, one for the title and one for supporting text to avoid clutter. In the Effects menu, try a drop shadow for contrast, an outline to separate text from the background, or a curve effect for stylistic flair. Adjust spacing and alignment until everything feels balanced. To make your cover stand out, explore Canva's advanced tools. With Magic Media, you can generate unique images by typing a brief description of your story's setting, character, or mood. This is great when stock images don't quite fit. For cleanup, use Magic Eraser to remove small distractions. If you need to isolate a subject, Background Remover is available as a pro feature and can create a clean, layered look. When your design is complete, it's time to export. For web or ebooks, go to Share, then Download, and choose JPG or PNG. JPG is a solid, compatible choice. PNG is helpful if you want crisper edges on text and graphics. For printing, select PDF Print for high-quality output. Double-check that you're exporting the correct size for your platform's requirements. That's it. Thanks for watching.